Hello my guys, and welcome to another episode. For this episode I have a new installation for my 2021 Toyota RAV4. This is for any 2019 to 2022 Toyota RAV4. Today's installation is this new car stereo from the company CARABC. 13.2 inch Android 13 car stereo. It's gonna be CarPlay and Android Auto. We're gonna do an upgrade on this little stereo. So let's go to the installation on the new stereo. I'm going to show you step by step how to get this new upgrade stereo. This is going to be a plug and play system. I have all the wires here. First thing, I'm going to show you how to remove the stereo so we can start doing all our connections. On the back side, you're going to remove this cover. Careful with your pry bar, you can just pry this out. Now you're gonna see has some bolts in there and in there. Remove those. Those are 10 millimeters. Same on the other side. Once you remove those bolts, just give it a pull. Pull it all the way out and start unplugging everything that you see right here. All these plugs, they have the little tab on top. Press on it and pull them and everything is out. And when you remove your stereo, just grab these clips, this one and this one, same on the other side, and put it on the new bezel. It's gonna be right here and right here. All the wiring, probably I'm not gonna use everything, but I'm gonna plug everything in just in case. I have the GPS, USB plugs, I have two, decoder, GPS, rear view camera. I don't think I'm gonna need that. In case that you need it, you can plug it in if your car doesn't have. But on my RAV4, this new stereo should work with the original camera and all our connections on here. Before I do that, we can put this bezel. I already put the clips, put it on. We start doing our connections. Then we can put our two bolts on each side once everything is in place. Everything's in here, microphone, GPS, antenna, everything is connected to this side. On this side, everything else is connected and everything is plug and play. You're not gonna miss it on any of the connectors. The only thing that I need to connect now is this and this. I'm gonna connect those, put the screen, see if everything works. My connections are done. As you can see, it's gonna be hard to explain, but everything is plug and play. The only thing that I didn't connect was this black connector. I'm not gonna use it, I don't need it. Everything else is connected. I have the camera connected in place. I'm gonna use obviously the one on the RAV4. Microphone, GPS, everything is in, as you can see. So let's put everything inside and start testing the new stereo. Once you got all the cables in, just press it, push it down, it's gonna snap in place. It has 4 little clips, 2 on each side, and it's secure. The only thing that we need to do is transfer these clips to this new cover. We can put it on. Once you put all the cables inside, make sure that everything goes in, push it, and bring it down, locks in place. Now for the reverse camera, I was playing with it because it didn't have any images. So what you have to do, just go to settings right here, go to display and then you select the camera on reverse mode. You can see you have to put it on rear camera. Right here on rear camera type, you have to use this one, because if you put another one, it's just not gonna work. It's gonna look like that. So you have to go display rear camera type, you put the first one, and right there is gonna work. I have the tailgate up, that's why it looks like that. But on the rear camera, that's the only thing that you're probably gonna struggle a little bit. You have to select this one, because if you select another one, just not gonna work. First one right here, NTSC. Now we can go back. It's good. Then you can press on it. You can select the parking, gas, trajectory, radar. You can select everything. I'm gonna put everything on, and like that is gonna work on the reverse. Now we can start working on using our phone, pairing our phone. We can start going into the apps. You have all the apps right here. You have the audio system. I'm gonna start working on that. And also you have all the apps here: YouTube, Google Chrome, Google. You have car settings, photos, video. Even TikTok is included in here, Netflix. Everything works fine. Let's see on the audio how it sounds. Yeah, our connections are okay on the audio. So let me start working on the connections with my phone, and we can start playing with our new system. But you can see I haven't put the back cover, but you can see really thin. It's not too high, it's just like the normal, it's just wider, so it's not gonna be on your way. You can see everything outside perfect, and it's just gonna be way bigger than our stock one. It looks a lot better, and new system for the RAV4. And like I said before, this is for any 2019 to 2022 Toyota RAV4. Connecting to my phone. Now I have my phone in here. You just go to Bluetooth, do your connections, and then have my phone working by Bluetooth. I have an iPhone, and just release to connect. Press right here on the left corner, exit. You can exit, go back to the main menu. And how you connect it, you just go here, go to Bluetooth, and just pair your device. Mine is already in there. You can adjust the settings on the volume, phone volume, music, navigation. You can Wi-Fi enable in here. Go back home, you have the radio. I'm gonna adjust the time and date. Right here, the brightness. And this screen, this stereo is very responsive, like really fast, and that's what I like about it. I'm gonna keep playing with it because it's a lot to learn and do in here. That's the radio.
The Handmaid's Tale-esque robe, and I have come to this stage door.
Everything works fine with the controls on the steering wheel.
White button down and black pants just to sing.
You can mute it right here. Stations works fine, especially because it works everything good with the controls. I have no issues on the connections. Car settings, you can select the fuel consumption, tire pressure monitor, car settings hybrid, so you can check daylight. You can use and adjust pretty much everything. Speed sensor, door automatic lock, unlock, tone. You can change everything in there. So there you have it. Installation was pretty okay, not too bad. On the connections, the only thing that you need to set it up is the rear view camera. I'm gonna leave the link in the description if you wanna get this stereo for any 2019 to 2022 Toyota RAV4.